Hello guys, this is a Samsung Galaxy A52. So before we actually get into the box, I'm gonna talk about the specification. First, the front-facing camera, I think it has like about 32 megapixels. The rear cameras, first there's a depth, a macro, ultra wide, and the main. The main one is 64. The depth is 5 megapixels. Also the macro and ultra wide 12 megapixels. So, and also this is a 128 gigabyte version with awesome black, and the chipset inside is an octa CPU. There's 8 CPUs there's 8 cores, octa core, and this is a Snapdragon 750. There's 8 gigabyte of RAM, and this is the KXA version, I think. So let's get to the box. Okay, so here this is the Samsung. There's a pin here. We will take it out and use it later to put our SIM card inside. So we first open it, and there looks like there is a case inside. Let's see. This is a case with a quick start guide and the warranty card. So we'll put that aside right now. Then we get to the main phone. We will show this in a second. We'll just focus on these. So first we got a fast charging cable. It's a USB-A to USB-C. We'll keep that beside the phone, and we got also a charger, a 25-watt charger. It's a fast charger. Keep that also beside the phone. And what else is there? We don't know. Nothing, just cardboard. Good. So we put that aside. So right now we are gonna customize the phone and then come back. Bye. So hey guys, I finally set it up the phone. It looks very nice. First of all, we're gonna go into the camera and see like the different features. So here there's a single take features, but there's also something called fun, which is on it takes Snapchat lenses, but we don't have Wi-Fi right now. But it takes Snapchat lenses and then puts it on you. Right here beside the video there is more. You can doodle. You can also use it for panorama, food if you're recording. Macro is for close-up picture. For close-up pictures you can go out like this and then it will do. Okay, so the night it's in the name. You can use it at night. The portrait, it blurs your background. The pro mode, I don't actually know. I think the pro is for pro photos and the pro video is for videos. Hyperlapse means it's time lapse, like it goes fast. Slow motion is slow motion. Super slow mo, it's very slow motion. And there's Bixby Vision and there's AR zone. So there's also single take and fun. These are nice features. The zoom can be up to 0.5 to 10. So you can also use the macro camera for this. The macro camera, we use it for close-up picture. Like right here, I'll get the box. Macro, right here. No. Look. Shows me all the details. This is you can put it in ratio. You can put it on philo, and there's a lot of settings in the camera. We're gonna see it, but not now. So this is a good explanation of the camera app. So see you in the next video. Bye.